it's your girl Eonnie Dear here, and today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day date night look. So we're going to start off with my favorite foundation, the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. I also like their serum foundation, both. I really recommend you to get. They're both only $6. You should definitely try them out. Unfortunately, they don't have a large shade range, which they should hopefully, The Ordinary get it together, get their shade range better. But this foundation, I love it. It's like your skin, but better. So here I am just dotting my foundation all over my face. Usually I use a brush to put on my foundation, but today we want coverage. So I'm going to use my Real Techniques sponge, and I'm going to tap all over my face. Now, because I want more coverage, I'm just blotting all over my face, and I'm not using really much swiping motions, only maybe over the eyelids. But everything else is tap and bouncing it all over. As you can see, I'm just blending everything in and getting into that hairline. First of all, make sure you get into your hairline, people. It's not cute. I don't even care if you have bangs. Put your makeup in your hairline. Now here my face was feeling a little dry, which I do not like because I have dry skin. So I just took a little bit of mist spray, mist, and we gonna blend and do our thing. So as you can see, I'm just blending everything in. I'm pretty sure now I'm going to take a little bit more of my coverage foundation and put it over my cheeks. That's where I have a little bit of acne scarring and pigmentation on my skin. So now I'm just putting a little bit more coverage on that area by itself. You can also do this with concealer, but I don't think I have a concealer that is my skin shade. I usually have that's a little brighter. So we can just go ahead and use the foundation. Now here is the set that I'm using. It is my sister's brand. It's called LaniLuxLashes, and this is her special Valentine's Day set. It comes with a red velvet lip scrub, which we're going to use right now. Now, please, I had to refrain from, licking my lips. So please don't lick anything. It is sweet, but don't eat it. Next, we're using the Cupid's lip gloss. I use this for right now to hydrate my lips while I'm doing my makeup. As you can see, it looks very cute. I love it. Her lip glosses are definitely my favorite, and I usually don't use lip glosses. Like, sometimes I get irritation on my lips when I use certain lip glosses, but I love hers. Anyways, I just put on some concealer in certain spots, and I'm just going to let it dry while I contour my face. Now, I'm using the e.l.f. contour palette, which I've had for a long time. I'm just using the two darkest colors, blending them in, dabbing it a little bit on my hand to take off the excess so it won't be too harsh when I'm putting it on my skin. And now I'm just going under my cheekbone and hiding my double chin. As you can see here, I'm just blending. I usually like to blend upwards for my under cheek area. And for under my chin, I use circular motions. Now I'm using a different brush to just blend everything in seamlessly. So, I don't have a harsh brick of dark makeup on my face, because that's not cute. As you can see here, I'm just blending everything in with my Real Techniques brush, with my Real Techniques sponge, and just going over with everything. Usually this is too much, concealer. You don't have to use this much, but it's date night and we trying to look cute and flawless, okay? So here we're going to set it. I do not like baking or recommend baking. It does leave, I feel like it will still leave a flashback, even though Coty Airspun doesn't leave a flashback. My skin is dry though. We can't be baking no skin here. We not finna bake nothing. So we're just gonna lightly dust over some of the airspun. I spin it in the thing and dab off a little excess and tap underneath my eye and then lightly sweep everything off. Now I'm just contouring my nose as much as I can with my Real Techniques brush. This is where the brush comes in. I'm just going over the base of my whole eyelid with that same color combo. Here we're using the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. This I use all the colors. I literally brush my brush over every color lightly and then go into bronze. I usually like to bronze my temple, down my cheekbone, on the I wouldn't say the high points, but on the outside of the cheekbone, and then I run it a little bit under my chin, as you can see here. This just gives a cute little bronze look, as you can see. It gives you a cute little definition. Now here I'm using the Artist Couture Caliente eyeshadow palette. I'm using the kind of orangey red color. Now this palette is pretty pigmented. You'll see when I put my first thing. Now I don't want my eyeshadow to be that pigmented, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to feather it all over my lid. So I'm just doing that right now. As you can see, I'm just feathering it out, adding a little here and there if the color gets a little bit too, washed out. And we're just going to take it out, and I prefer a cat eye, so I take it out further. Now in the palette, I'm using a warm, I think it's like a warm burnt orange color. I love this color. And I'm just taking that and putting it on the outer corner of my eyes and blending it in my crease. Still doing that cat eye, by the way. Now we're just going to take the shimmer shade that has like both a pink iridescent and orange color and running that all over the eye. Now here I do take a little bit of the shimmer shadow and put it in under my lash line, more towards the bridge of my nose, in that inner corner, as you'll see right here. And before I did that, I obviously put these same two reddish orange and brownish orange color on the outer corner of my lid. So now I'm taking this brush and I'm going into the gold color, and I love putting a nice bright color into my tear ducts. Oh my god, not my tear ducts, but my inner corner, because I just look at it. Look. So here we go. We're going to do the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. As you can see, I use it a lot. So we're just going to use the two lighter shades, mix them in, and we're going to go all over the high parts of my cheekbone and my temple. This is where I usually like to put my shadow. Here, as you can see, I'm just putting the blush shadow all over my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose, just to give that cute little blushing look. And now I'm just showing you everything. It's so cute. And we're gonna go into my mascara. I do that off camera because nobody got time to look at that. And now we're going into the second part of my set from my LaniLuxLashes. These are the lashes in Amore. I'm going to put them on off camera, but girl, baby, these lashes, oh, look at them, look, I'm feeling myself. See, as soon as you put on lashes, ladies or gents, you just be feeling all kinds of ways. You just be feeling yourself. You be looking cute. The look just gets even that more better. I mean, look at these lashes. Oh, and they were easy to put on. I just put it on in one go. And here, unfortunately, the camera will cut off in a little bit. I didn't notice. So I have put on my full lip color. I use 3 things. I use the red lip liner. Then I use a red, in that same shade, a red lipstick, and then a Hanks, I believe a Hanks. I'm going to list it in the description below. A Hanks lip color in red, and then my LaniLux lip gloss. So yeah, as you can see, it cut off. Didn't notice, but now we're going to get into highlighter. So for this highlighter, I just used the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 3 palette. And I just, whatever color I felt like dipping into, I've dipped into. This whole palette is basically shimmer browns and shimmer neutrals. So now I'm putting that on the bridge of my nose, on the high points of my cheekbones, in the temple area. I also believe I put it on my brow bone. I think I do, right? I usually do. I put in my Cupid's bow, a little on my chin, my forehead. I know I do my brow bone. Yeah, see? I know. I thought I forgot. I was about to say, girl, no. Anyways, this is the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you guys next Friday. Lots of love. Bye. Mwah.